Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend as you all watching tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with you about cheapest 5G smartphone by Motorola. So without further ado, let's quickly get started. The display you'll be getting is the 6.7 inches IPS LCD display. The OS you'll be getting is the Android 10 out of the box. Nothing fishy OS going on over here. The processor you'll be getting is the Snapdragon 750G. This is a 5G processor, and Motorola has launched this in a very affordable category. We'll get to that in a moment. And if we talk about the GPU you'll be getting is the ADRENO 690. Battery you'll be getting is the 5000 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 20 watt fast charge adapter. The cameras on the rear side you'll be getting is the quad camera setup, and on the front side you'll be getting is the single camera setup. And then we talk about the cameras on the rear side, which is a 48 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera. If we talk about the 48 megapixel, we'll be getting is the f1.7, which is a wide cam. And if we talk about the second cam, which is of 8 megapixel, it's an ultra wide camera with f2.2. And the third camera, which is a macro, you'll be getting is the f2.4. Tell you on the video recording on the rear side, you'll be getting is the 4K at 30 frames per second, and also you'll be able to capture 1080p at 30 frames per second. Coming on the front side, you'll be getting is the 16 megapixel single camera. If we talk about its aperture, it's a wide camera. If we talk about aperture, you'll be getting is the f2.2, and it's also able to capture 1080p at 30 frames per second at video recording. Storage and RAM you'll be getting is the two variants over here, which is 4 plus 64 and 6 plus 128. Coming on to the colors, you'll be getting is two colors over here, which is a volcanic gray and frosted silver. About how it's gonna be charging, it will be charging via the Type-C port, and the Type-C is 2.0. Talking on the fingerprint scanner, you'll be getting the fingerprint scanner on the rear side. On this smartphone, Motorola G 5G, as per me, it's a good smartphone as the processor recommends, but as if we come to the camera side, this phone needs to be more improved. As this price segment 64 is available really easily, and people also can buy 64 except this. That's not a big issue. If 5G is there, people gonna go for 5G also. And the second thing, if they have given IPS LCD at this price point, that's kind of negligated towards the phone. As for me, 90 Hz gonna be easily available for those price segment over here. But anyways, it's a 5G smartphone at under 25k INR rupees. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe to Tech for more tech related updates. By the way, this is your friend Dia signing home. I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with tech. Peace.